Prior to every hunting season, you should get your equipment out and make sure everything's working properly. In a previous video, we did that with the weapon systems and clothing and packs. You can see that in the links below. Today we're going to go over climber and my pop-up blind and also my seat. Just going to look them over, make sure the pop-up blind goes up, make sure my climber is functioning properly, and make sure I don't fall through the seat because it is kind of old. All right, real quick, these cables on your climber, okay, I replaced these last year. I had the other ones for probably about 8 years, and they were starting to fray here at these buckles, okay? If you have that, don't be an idiot like me and keep climbing. Mine did not come apart or break or drop me from the tree, but I have heard stories and I have seen the results of people falling out because of that. So if you have these that are fraying, get them replaced. I think I paid 40 or 50 bucks for these, so well worth it.